There it is, the phone call. You're ready to pick it up when suddenly your phone dies. You enter panic mode. You find a charger and begin to power up your phone. My question is, have you ever wondered how your phone charges? What makes it rechargeable? Turns out that your phone battery runs on some pretty awesome chemistry. Before we get started, we need to understand two reactions, oxidation and reduction. All atoms are made up of negatively charged particles called electrons. When these atoms gain or lose electrons, they form ions. The loss of electrons is called oxidation. The gain of electrons is called reduction. In oxidation, the loss of electrons means the loss of negativity, forming a positively charged cation. In reduction, the gain of electrons means the gain of negativity, forming a negatively charged anion. Oxidation and reduction reactions always happen together, and we call them redox reactions. But what does redox have to do with phone batteries? Well, cell phone batteries run on these really cool cells called electrochemical cells. They help change chemistry into electricity. All electrochemical cells have an anode, a cathode, an electrolyte, a separator, and a wire that connects the anode to the cathode. The electrolyte acts as the conductor for the whole process, while the anode acts as the negative side and the cathode acts as the positive side. As you charge your phone's lithium-ion battery, the electric current allows lithium atoms to lose electrons in oxidation and become cations. The ions travel away from the positive cathode to the negative anode because of a charge difference. As this happens, the lost electrons flow through the wire from the cathode to the anode. The process of the lithium ions inserting themselves into the anode and becoming lithium is called intercalation. This is important because it is reversible. Also, the flow of electrons that build up at the anode will help power the phone later on. Intercalation becomes reversible when the lithium that combined with the anode gets oxidized again. Now the new lithium ions will travel through the electrolyte from anode to cathode. The electrons released will also travel from anode to cathode and become the electric current that powers your phone. Let's recap. Redox reactions are those that involve the loss or gain of electrons. They power electrochemical cells. The certain parts of electrochemical cells help aid in the transfer of electrons. The transfer of electrons in the cell will provide the electrical current that will allow you to use your phone. The chemistry of lithium-ion batteries is now being used to power cars, computers, and so much more. The next time your phone rings, try and remember the awesome processes that create its power.